In volleyball, the national volleyball women's team, the Malkia Strikers, depart Wednesday morning for the Olympic qualifiers in Cameroon amid financial crisis that could affect their performance. The team that was unveiled today travels to Yaoundé uncertain of the accommodation arrangements during the qualifiers. Their 4.5 million residential training expenses were taken care of by the National Oil, who are the team's sponsors, while the National Olympic Committee is expected to fund the team's travel and accommodation expenses. Malkia Strikers travel for Rio qualifiers as the reigning African champions, but they will have to contend with opposition from 17 other African countries in a tournament where only one slot is up for grabs. 2008 and 2012 Olympic representatives Algeria, African giants Egypt, Tunisia and host Cameroon are expected to be Kenya's stiffest competitors in their quest for the Rio Games. And moving on, the National Olympic Committee of Kenya, NOCK, has refuted claims by a section of international media that Kenya would pull out of the Rio Olympic Games due to the Zika virus threat. There were claims Tuesday afternoon that NOCK chairman Kipchoge Keino had confirmed Kenya will not send a team to Rio. In a quick rejoinder, a statement sent to the newsroom says by the Kenya head of delegation, Stephen Soy, said that NOCK is yet to make a decision on the Zika virus issue, adding that Dr. Kipchoge Keino may have been misquoted. In the statement, Soy also clarified that with the Olympic Games 6 months away, it's too early to arrive on the course of action. The association has been receiving updates on the Games preparations, including the status of the Zika virus.